Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to go over something really quickly. I wanted to quick review perimeter and area, and then I wanted to show you what you're going to see today in case you get a little confused. So to find the perimeter, when you find perimeter, you're finding the outside, like if you were to put up a fence, okay? And the perimeter, to get perimeter, you do the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. Not just the length and the width, because that would only give you fence half your yard. You do length plus width plus width. And for area, that's like getting the inside. That's like in your yard, how much grass you have on the inside. So area is the length times the width. So if we were finding the perimeter of this problem, we would do 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. And 9 plus 9 is 18. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And 18 plus 8, 6, carry my 1, is 26. Now my answer, I don't know if you can see that. My answer cannot just be 26. I need to put my label. 26 what? 26 inches. Now to find my area, I know I do length times width. The length is 9 and the width is 4. And I know 9 times 4 is 36. Now, if I say 36 inches, that is not correct because I said 26 inches was perimeter. If I just put inches, that means I'm talking about perimeter. When we are doing area, you need to make sure you say square inches. Okay, squared because we are multiplying two numbers. That is how you find perimeter and area. Now, in a second, I'm going to show you a problem that's going to come up today, and I want you to understand how to find the area and perimeter for it. So take a look at this. Okay, so this is going to look like one of the problems that you may see today. And in this problem, you have to find the area and perimeter. Now, each box equals 1 unit. So you have to think, to find the perimeter, there's 1 unit, 2 unit, this is 3 units, 1 unit, 2 units, this is 2 units, and I should probably write this in a different color because I don't know if you can all see that. I apologize. So we said this is 3, this is 2. This right here would be 1 unit. This would be 1 unit. 1, 2, 3 units. 1 unit, 1 unit, and 2 units. Do you see how that works? So to find the perimeter, I have to outline it. And sometimes it's good to use with your pencil. Now you're going to be doing it on the computer, so you could use your hand if you want. So I have to do 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. That's how I would find the perimeter. Now I know 3 plus 2 is 5, plus another 1, 2, plus 3 plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's kind of how I decided to split it up to add it. You could have added each one, whatever you want. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 3 is 14. So my perimeter is 14 units. I don't know what the unit is. I don't know if it's centimeters, meters, it's just unit. So my perimeter is 14 units. Okay, so now, I'm just going to get my eraser here. What I am going to do is I need to figure out the area, and I just don't want to confuse anyone. That's why I'm going to erase this. Now, we've gone over area where this is not, we know this is the area to a rectangle or a square. This is not four-sided. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided. So this is a what? What's 8-sided, Colin?
Octagon.
Octagon. It's an octagon. So this is an octagon, okay? So to find the area, do you remember what we do? Say that loud if you remember. If you said we have to split it into 2 rectangles, you're correct. So take a look. This is going to be rectangle number 1. Okay? And this is going to be rectangle number 2. And once we find the area for each, we would add that up to get our entire area. So that would look something like this. This is 1, 2, 3 units. 1 by 2 units. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now this rectangle right here is 3 units by 1 unit. And 3 times 1 is 3. And what would we do to this rectangle and this rectangle? We would add it up, and you're right in the light there. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is 9 square units. You could also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many units are on the inside? You can also count that up. So you have 2 ways you can do that today. So for today, when you see a picture like that, if you're a little confused, come back to this video and say, okay, how do I know how to find the perimeter and how can I find the area? Any questions at all? Email me or comment and I will gladly help you out. Happy problem solving!